Hi guys, this is RubixGamer. Today I'm going to talk a bit. I'm coming with a video about France. 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 France is the largest country in the European Union, covering a total area of 551,695 square kilometers. However, it is only the third largest country in the Europe, behind Ukraine and the European portion of Russia. Around a third of France is forest, and it is the fourth most forested country in the Europe, after Sweden, Finland, and Spain. The country is also sometimes referred as hexagon due to its six-sided shape. France is the world's most popular tourist destination. It might be time to brush up on your French language skills because France is a place to visit. According to the latest tourism figures, a whopping 89.3 million people visited the country in 2018, making it the most visited destination in the world. The country's capital, Paris, is also the third most visited city in the world, behind Bangkok and London. France. This is the uh, um, this is the map regions of France. Currency. For a long time, the country of France used to use the franc for their money, but now they use euro, which is the currency that almost all Europe use. The euro is the strongest currency in the whole world. And let's talk about the language. French is the only official language of France, and it is the language that almost everyone speaks. But there are some other languages that people speak as well. These are called regional languages, and they are languages that have been around certain areas for a long time. Now let's talk about the France flag. The flag of France has a white strip down in the middle, with a blue strip on one side and a red stripe on the other. People who speak English usually call the French flag as the French tricolor or just even the tricolor. A trip to France. If you are traveling to France, a country in the Europe, you might you'd see many interesting landmarks. Landmarks are buildings, monuments, or natural features that are very memorable. Settle back, look out the window, and you'll see some of France's most interesting landmarks. The Eiffel Tower. The tall metal tower you see rising over the streets of the city of Paris is the Eiffel Tower, which is one of the most recognized landmarks in France. Unlike most landmarks, the Eiffel Tower wasn't built to last. Eiffel Tower, when it was built in 1889, it was designed to be a temporary structure for an exposition of fair celebrating the 100th anniversary of the end of the French Revolution. It was first built When it was first built, many people thought it was very ugly. Over 1,000 feet high, the Eiffel Tower was the tallest monument in the world when it was first finished. And Now it's still the tallest building in Paris. This is the Eiffel Tower. Lower Valley Castles. There are more than 300 statues in the Lower Valley. 42 of them are listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The first castles were built as fortifications in the 10th century, and over the many centuries, more splendid and highly decorated castles were built alongside the river to serve as homes for the French kings. The Loire River is the longest river in France, with over 1,000 kilometers or 624 miles in length. Wow! Paris. Let's talk about Paris. Paris is the capital city of France, and it is also one of the most popular vacation spots in the world. Even though Paris is known for being a very expensive city to visit, it attracts about 45 million visitors each year. Some of the other major cities and popular tourist spots in Europe are Lyon and Marseille and Nice, which sounds like Nice. Okay, let's go to some delicious stuff. French cuisine. That means French food. Macarons. Let's start with some sweet. Macarons are the delicious sweet cookies filled with buttercream. Macarons come in many colors so you can distinguish on the taste of the filling, such as pink for raspberries, taste, brown for chocolate, yellow for vanilla or lemon, green for pistachio, blue for blueberry, and the French macarons melt in the mouth. Yummy! Ratatouille is a thick stew including tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, horseradish, and onions. It is mainly eaten as vegetable stew, but there are variations which also include meat. Croissants. Croissants are typically used for breakfast, but can also be eaten filled with ham and cheese for a more filling meal later during the day. Oh, now we have reached the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. RubixGamer. This subscribe button.